Hello, I hope you're having a good day. I am making a snack, and it's good for backpacking and for hiking and just for a snack. Good for kids. It's called banana nut walnuts. Let's see. I start with 4 cups of walnuts. That was 2. These taste, when you bite into them, they taste just like you're eating banana bread. And there is 4 cups. I want just a hair more, just a little bit. So 4 cups of walnuts and a half a cup of raisins and a half a cup of coconut. And that is all that you do in this bowl. Mix it up a little bit. And then in my blender, I'm going to take 3 bananas that are nice and ripe and sweet. And I'm going to put them in my blender. You could use a food processor too. Just peeling bananas. These are nice big bananas. So, and then 1/4 of a cup of honey. It's good to find local honey if you can. After these take about 24 hours to dehydrate. You want to make sure they're nice and dehydrated. And a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I didn't have my half a teaspoon here, so I just eyeballed it, which I do a lot. And then a pinch of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. And then I'm going to blend these together. Okay, I'm going to blend. It's going to be loud. Okay, I blended this up, and it's creamy like a milkshake. Nice and mixed up. And then I'm going to take and just pour it over my walnut mixture. These are one of my most favorite snacks. It is so good. And then just take and mix it up with your walnut mixture. And those were big bananas. I could almost add a little bit more nuts to this if I wanted to. I mixed it up real good, and I'm just going to pour it on my Teflon sheet. And depending on, I think I can get this all on 1. You can put it on 2 if you want. And it turns into kind of like brittle, and then you just break it up, and when it's nice and dry, store it in a glass jar, and you have yummy banana nut walnuts. So I'm going to put it in the dehydrator and let it dry for 24 hours. And I hope you enjoy these. If you have to try these. These are like the best. Very easy. Thank you. Bye-bye.